14 is doing pretty well. That's bus 14. Yeah, back in its logging days, on the Rayonier, ITT Rayonier Corporation, it was kind of a logging locomotive, but it was kind of mediocre, that kind of position. So, pushing trains like this is not uncommon for this locomotive. So, we're almost there. Just one more rotation. This is starting to have some mechanical issues here. Turn that. Bus 14 is doing good now. Bus singing 14. Okay, so we're gonna go backwards until we get all the cars. Get that done. I think bus 14 is just underrated. I think it deserves a little better. So bus 14 is coming back. Slight scare, I know. Time to go back. So I made like a linear point-to-point layout. So now we're going to be exchanging cars with the Columbia Western as soon as we get to about here. Okay, so that's a very easy run, in case you're wondering what that was all about. So we're going to be doing this over again, but anyway, so the linear point-to-point layout is going to be a lot longer than what you see here, but eventually I want switches on the other end so I can actually switch cars. Hey, there's one end, here's the other. So bus 14, yeah, it's come back from the dead. I actually thought it was done, it was a goner, but as it turns out, it's actually doing really well. So bus 14 is back. So yeah, I'm happy. So anyway, so let's do some more running. We're gonna do a backwards run. We're gonna do a run by. Here we go. Here we go, fellas. This is gonna be a run by. All the way to the end of the track. Then we're gonna run this. And what about here? Let's do this. Bus 14, bus stinking 14. It's pretty fast, so fast. How about that for a run by? Alright, so that's that. Okay, so I'll be doing some more stuff in this video. And at the snap of... Okay, so it's 2023 now, in case you're watching this in 2023. And a lot of us are trying to keep up with our New Year's resolutions. I know some of you are having trouble with that. So what I've been doing is I've extended the track a little bit, made it bigger, and also I'm going to be and sometime this month I'm going to be purchasing more cars. So stay tuned for that. Yeah, and also bus 14. I thought I was going to have to replace it, but as it turns out, it doesn't need to be replaced. So bus 14 is doing well, and I think I'm going to get a solid backup, that's standard DC, besides 2105. I have nothing in between 2105 and bus 14, so I'd like to get a secondary backup, see what that does. I think bus 14 is doing well, but I like to have another locomotive as a backup. See, we got 2105 and bus 14 going right now. Bus stinking 14. That's awesome. She's doing good, except for that part. Stalled out a bit. Can it make out this hill? No, apparently not. There you go. Oop. Come on. Doing pretty good. I'm not gonna go too fast. So that's bus 14's absolute pulling power. Bus 14. The first four are mine, the rest of them are probably the other guys. Who needs sound when you got a Trix locomotive? That Conrail car, that's mine. It's a 60-foot high cube.